How to remove and reinstall your car badges like a pro without breaking them or losing their exact position. In this video, I'll show you a clever way how to safely take them off, recreate the factory adhesive, and align them perfectly back on the car. Let's get into it. Okay, what I did now, I applied the masking tape just below the edge of that badge and did some marking, like where is my edge, what is the distance to the masking tape on two areas here, what are the sizes of the badge, why I need that. That's a template. Now I will simply remove the template. By the way, for templating, try to use very strong and thick masking tape, something like heavy duty, so it won't stretch while you are doing that. It must be like very firm. I use 3M blue one, use it for 3D printing. It's like that. I applied 3 layers, and you see it's not stretching. It's very solid. Like you see, it's not stretched. I can reapply it after that and put the badge in the same place. Okay, isopropyl goes in. Just keep it nice and wet. It will help cutting that glue tape. And now just work like a saw. You see, nice and easy. Don't try to pull it. Try to, you see, like I'm doing. Slowly sawing from side to side, left, right, left, right, left, right, and look how good it goes. Don't try to use something like a screwdriver, because you will break the badge, or anything like that. Just slowly cutting like so, you see. And moment of truth, we will go. Look how easy is that. Okay, boys. Now I cleaned our badge. Remove old double-sided tape, and we need to reapply it. What we will need: a piece of baking paper. I will show you why we need that. Double-sided tape, automotive-grade. Some masking tape for fixing. Carving blade. Be sure to use a fresh blade, because you need a very sharp blade. Some pencil, few clamps, and just a cutting pad that will make it easier. Just use a piece that is enough to fit our badge. We don't need a very huge piece, just the size of our badge. Our double-sided tape, and we'll stick it temporarily to that baking paper. We'll align our sticker just like that. And I will use clamp to lock it in place, just to hold it. Maybe let me do that from underneath, so it will be easier to show it to you. Now that it's locked, I will use a pencil and draw a line around the edge. And let me show you what we got. We got a drawing of all that badge. Let's start cutting it. It will take some time, but the basic idea that you align your ruler and just gently cut it with your blade. And just like that, follow each line. It will take some time. Let's start removing those parts that we don't need. Be gentle. Maybe at some areas you will have to cut a bit more, that could be. Don't worry about that. And just like that, we have our new double-sided tape sticker. Okay, I also degreased our badge with Automotive-grade alcohol. And let me show you. You see, that's what was the point to apply baking paper, because now we can easily release those tape from its let's say how to call it, from its base. And just like that, we got a layer of double-sided tape as it was on factory badge. Here's our panel ready to be put back on the car. Let me quickly degrease it. Is IPA alcohol. Remember, you should clean it to so-called, squeaky clean. When it's dry, you don't see any leftovers or residue or anything like that. Now I will reapply our template. Align the badge and just stick it. Yeah. Now remove the template. Check if you like everything. Yeah. If everything is good and you're happy, press that very well. Yeah. Like, I mean, seriously, take your time and press each letter, because the harder you press, the better it will bond to the panel. Yeah. And that's exactly how you can replace any badge on almost any car. If you need to polish that panel or you need to paint that panel, you saw how easy it was that. Yeah. See you next time.